Hey there. Want to manage your Amex account from anywhere? The Amex mobile app puts your cards, points, and security features right in the palm of your hand. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. Download the American Express app from your device's app store and log in with your online credentials. The home screen gives you a snapshot, current balances, recent transactions, available points, and any Amex offers you've saved. You can pay your bill, freeze a card, track a delivery on a purchase, chat with customer service, and even find nearby Centurion lounges, all from the app. My crucial pro tip? Enable push notifications for transactions. Turn on instant alerts for every charge. This is your first line of defense against fraud. You'll know the second your card is used, anywhere in the world. That's how you turn your phone into a powerful command center for your finances. What's your most used feature in the Amex app? Is it checking points, paying bills, or something else? Tell me in the comments. If app guides help you work smarter, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.